In order to enter a patient payment in the system with their name highlighted, you come to this Visits and Receipts tab at the top, and now I have my accounting page of the software. The documents or the lines in black mean that the notes have already been completed. The lines in red are scheduled visits that have not been seen yet. In order to put in a payment, so for example, for this line, if a patient made a payment for this date of service, the payment due was $100, they have a $100 balance. To make a payment, on the left under Actions, click Post a Payment. Click this green plus button and indicate the payment amount. So maybe they paid $75 today. You can indicate the payment type that they paid you. You can make a comment about it as well, and then click Save. Now it's been applied to their account. So they owed $100. They made a $75 payment. Now they owe $25 on their account.